Hello children, I hope you are all doing extremely well. And last class we have completed unit 6, in that all the 4 chapters we have completed. And today we are going to see about unit 8. In that unit 8, that is biology and human welfare. First of all, we'll see about chapter 8, that is human health and diseases. I thought it will be interesting for you if I take this chapters. So only we have started with human health and diseases. Okay. In this human health and diseases, let me say about health. Okay, I'll give the definition for health and about how the health is affected by so many ways and other things. And then we'll see about common diseases in humans. Okay, what is health or define health? That is when there is a balance between the body and the mind. We say a person is healthy. Both should balance. Okay, it was considered like that in olden days. And they just believe that balance of certain humors. What do you mean by these humors? Yeah, they once believed these humors to be secreted by the kidneys or spleen, and they cause sadness. They believed in that good humors and bad humors, and they cause sickness. They believed to be secreted by the kidneys or spleen. Kidneys will be familiar. I think spleen also. What is a spleen? Spleen is a spongy, highly vascular organ. What do you mean by vascular? Vascular means the organ is surrounded or rich in blood capillaries. Organs and tissues involved in circulating blood. That is said to be vascular organ. It is situated near the stomach and it produces antibodies, filters bacteria and foreign particles. So it gives immunity to your body. So humor was considered like that to cause some sadness or sickness. So it was thought that persons with black bile, it's a humor actually, belong to hot personality. They'll be having a very high temperature, so that they would have fever. The body temperature rises, people will suffer with fever. So they thought like that. And this good humor hypothesis of health was later on disproved by the discovery of blood circulation by William Harvey and our body temperature, that is a normal body temperature. We are all warm blooded. Then later on, it was proved that our mind influences through neural and endocrine system our immune system, and that our immune system maintains health. It was later on biologically proved that our immune system is responsible or it maintains health. Therefore, mind and mental state can affect our health. Yeah, of course. If mind and mental state they are not balancing, they are unstable, it will affect our health definitely. And apart from that, health is also affected by genetic disorder, infections, and lifestyle. Genetic disorders. A child born with a deficiency and the child inherits from parents, gets it from the parents, a kind of deficiency. Infections, it can be by bacteria, fungi, or a viral, by microorganisms. Lifestyle, it includes a lot of things: the food, water, the rest you give to your body, exercise, whether you're following a very healthy lifestyle, good habits, bad habits, or you lack good habits, everything comes under lifestyle. Before that, I said spleen. I just explained to you about the spleen also. And let us see a picture of the spleen. This is what the spleen. It is rich in antibodies. Okay, now I'll give you the definition for health. Okay. It is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being. So when I say a person is healthy, uh, if a person is free from diseases, I cannot say the person is healthy. He or she should be physically fit, mentally stable, and socially well-being. Socially well-being, in the social, he has to mingle with everybody in a normal way. So all these three things comes under, if a person is healthy means it depends upon all the three qualities that is present in an individual. When people are healthy, they are more efficient in their work. Of course, they are more efficient in their work, and this increases productivity and brings economic prosperity. And this, you can now, I can quote an example of this COVID 19 situation in which people are not even coming out because they fear that they might get the infection. So, throughout the world, people are not coming out because we have the fear. We're all staying at home, so you're not coming out, and most of the throughout the world, the economic prosperity has come down. This is one of the reason. Now the situation is like that. So people are not healthy. Also, same situation happens. So we'll see what are the ways of achieving good health. There are so many ways for achieving good health is given in your textbook. We'll see one by one. Balanced diet. I'll see a few pictures. Then again, we'll discuss about what are the ways of achieving good health. Balanced diet. We can see a balanced diet. Balanced diet means the food you eat must have correct proportions of carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Everything should be in the correct proportion. And protein, even protein rich food also you can have, you can include under balanced diet. So here is a picture showing balanced diet, and this you all know, carrot juice always, or whatever kind of juice, they're good for your health. This summertime you can have a lot of this kind of healthy drinks. And fruits and veggies rich in protein rich food are very very important for your health. They will give you immune power, they increase your immunity in your body. These are kind of fruits and veggies which you can have a look. And this is also all kinds of carbohydrate, proteins, everything should be there in your food, not only one part. Only if you take always carbohydrate rich food or always protein rich food, that will not work out. Okay. Then self discipline. This is very very important. Without self discipline, we cannot achieve anything in this world. Okay, so balance diet, personal hygiene, regular exercises, all these are very important to maintain good health. Yoga and meditation are also good to achieve physical and mental health. Yoga, meditation, and all. I think you are familiar with all those things. And apart from that, what are the other ways of achieving good health is awareness about that particular disease. That is also very important, so that you can protect yourself from the particular disease. Like for this COVID 19 situation, you know what are the awareness. Whenever you go out, you are covering your face. And after coming back, you're washing your hands well. This all awareness about the diseases. And vaccination is very important. If a person getting vaccinated against a particular disease, he or she will be protected from that disease. And proper disposal of waste, this is not only inside your house, it is also the surroundings. You have to keep it in a very clean manner. And control of vectors. If it is vector borne disease, you have to control the vector. You have to keep your surroundings neat and tidy. Then you have to maintain hygienic food and water without any contamination. That is very very important. All these are the ways of achieving good health. When a person is not healthy, that means has been affected by a particular disease. So disease means, when I say disease, it can be broadly classified into two types: infectious and non-infectious. You know very well, infectious means communicable. It easily, a healthy person will be affected by a infected person, or a healthy person acquires a disease from an infected person. The worst thing and very worst fatal is AIDS. It's a sexually transmitted disease. Non-infectious, though it's not communicable, non-communicable. Cancer is the worst thing. They are fatal. Cancer and drug and alcohol abuse also can affect our health. All these comes under non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Okay, now we'll see common diseases in humans. In this common diseases in humans, we'll see some of the bacterial diseases. Today we are going to see only about the bacterial diseases. Before that, I will give a just an introduction about these microorganisms and the role played by them. Then we'll go on to the bacterial diseases. A wide range of organisms belong to bacteria, fungi, viruses, protozoans, all could cause diseases in humans or man. Such disease-causing organisms are called pathogens. They are known as pathogens. So disease-causing organisms are called pathogens. They cause harm to the host body. They enter our body by various means, multiply and interfere with our normal vital activities, resulting in morphological and functional damage. And pathogens have various adaptations in which they are able to survive into the host body. Various adaptation able to survive inside the host body. First of all, one example we'll see. If a pathogen that enter the gut is nothing but your alimentary canal, it must know the way of surviving in the stomach at low pH. That is, you know very well, your stomach is acidic. They know how to survive there and how to resist the digestive enzymes that is present in your alimentary canal. You have various types of enzymes in stomach, your small intestine. So they know, they have the adaptations to resist against various kinds of digestive enzymes. Okay, so these are the adaptations by the pathogens. And today I said we are going to see about bacterial diseases. Okay, that is bacterial diseases. Today we are going to see about Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi. This causes typhoid fever. It is a bacteria causing typhoid fever. Causative agent is Salmonella typhi. Route of entry. Actually, how it enters. I said just now I discussed. It will be having various adaptations to resist our enzymes and other hormones. And how it enters. It enters the small intestine through contaminated food and water and migrate to other organs through blood. You know very well, blood is a transporting medium. So it migrates to other organs through blood. What are the symptoms? Sustained high fever. Okay, that is 39 Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. High temperature that will not come down at all. Weakness, stomach pain, headache, loss of appetite. They will not feel hungry. That is what? In constipation. These are the symptoms. And in severe cases, intestinal perforation and death can occur. That's fatal. Intestinal perforation means inflammation of the intestine, which may lead to very serious problems. Okay. And what about the test? These are the you have to highlight about Salmonella typhi. All these things, that is what we discussed. Route of entry, causative agent, route of entry, how it enters your body, and what are the symptoms, and what happens in severe cases. This is very rare, but it has to, if at all a person has got this, immediately he has to seek a medical He has to be rushed to the hospital. Okay, now this is confirmed by a test called Vidal test. Test called Vidal test. So what they will do in this Vidal test, I'll explain now. This Vidal test, in this the bacteria, that is particular bacteria, is mixed with the serum containing specific antibodies obtained from an infected person. So this is the important test for this, in which they will be able to see the pathogen in the blood. Serum. What is the serum? The color of the serum is it will be midway between yellow and orange. Actually, it is a protein-rich liquid which separates when blood coagulates. When blood coagulates, it separates. Coagulation is clumping of the particles that is present in the blood. So that is what the serum, and this Vidal test is an important for this typhoid fever. And so that is the thing for this typhoid fever. And I would like to mention about this lady Mary Malone, Typhoid Mary. She is commonly known as Typhoid Mary. She was a cook by profession and was a typhoid carrier because she continued to spread typhoid fever for several years through the food she made. So she was a carrier. So she was, Mary Malone, nicknamed as Typhoid Mary, as she was spreading the fever through the food she made or she prepared. The next bacterial disease we are going to see is pneumonia. Pneumonia. This is also caused by bacteria. Causative agent, you have two types of bacteria: Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus influenzae. Target organ, it affects the alveoli of the lungs, air sacs. The alveoli gets filled with fluid, leading to severe problems in breathing, because alveoli, main thing in the lungs where exchange of gases takes place. If it gets filled with fluid, the person will not be able to, they have severe respiratory problems, difficulty in breathing. Okay, what are the symptoms? Fever, chills, cough, headache. Sometimes in severe cases, lips and nails may turn grey to bluish color, which seeks immediate treatment, medical treatment, because lips and nails, when they turn grey to bluish color, it's very, very dangerous. That means when oxygen levels are extremely low, this happens. In our body, when oxygen levels are extremely low, this happens. So how it is transmitted? A healthy person acquires the infection by inhaling the droplets released by an infected person, normal, like common cold. So that is the thing. Apart from that, so again pneumonia, once again will come to this pneumonia. The causative agent, two kinds of bacteria or two types of bacteria. What target organ it affects, and what are the symptoms? In severe cases, what happens? It seeks immediate medical treatment, and how it is transmitted. Okay, well, apart from that, other bacterial diseases or dysentery, plague, diphtheria, all these, most of them have now vaccination is there, and most of the diseases have controlled, have come down actually. So I think we'll stop till here, and the next class we'll see about the other diseases. Whatever I have taken, just go through students. Okay children, have a good day. Thank you.